Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, it is time for another empties. So I have this giant bag in here that is overflowing. So if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. Okay, so I will list down below everything that I have on my face and all of these items, and I'm gonna put prices and everything down below like usual, because this year I decided to have some prices as well, just to see how much I am using up, which is great because this is pretty expensive overall, and it is nice that I am using them up. So let's start from the top. I have this shampoo in here, and I put a note in here that I had this for a year and a half. That is just way too much time, and this bottle is giant. I did include this one in a haul in 2021 at the end of the year, and that is insane. So this is 1 liter of product, and this is the Wella Professional Volume Boost. I don't really love this one. It's not my favorite. It's just meh. This retails for, let me see if I can find the price for this one, for $16 for this giant bottle. And I am sure that for a professional this is great because you can attach a pump and it's very user friendly for a professional, but for me it was not the best, so I'm not gonna repurchase it. It's not my favorite shampoo either. Then I have some dry shampoos in here. This is the Olaplex number 4D. This was in the fails. It is a big fail. I really don't like it. It's not doing anything to my hair. I have pretty greasy hair overall. My hair is it's just cleaned right now. But after like 2 days, my hair gets a bit oily and I use a lot of dry shampoo. And this is doing nothing to my hair if it is oily. I finished this one up by using it when my hair was clean. So just after blow drying my hair, I just apply a bit of this to add some volume. But it is so expensive. This is $33. And by the way, all of these prices are in dollars, but are the prices from Romania, from where I live, and the prices that I paid for, or around that number, because maybe I got some of these on a sale, but I don't remember, so I put the base value. So this is very expensive. I really don't like it. I don't recommend it. You can get anything else from Olaplex and it's way better than this. This one is a big disappointment. I just finished today another dry shampoo. This is the Batiste Cheeky Cherry, and I love this one. I love Batiste. I'm gonna buy just Batiste dry shampoos because they are affordable, they are great. This retails for around $4, so $33 and $4. This difference is so pathetic in my eyes, because this is the cheap and that one is so expensive, and this one is so much better. That is very sad, but I think kind of good in a way, because you can buy something very cheap and it will get the job done. Next, I have a protector for heat. This is the Teknia. I always call this brand wrong, but Teknia is the name. Hair care frizz control. So this is a heat protector. I always use it when I am blow drying my hair or when I am doing some curls, and it's nice. This retails for $18, so it's not the cheapest one, but I do like it. I did repurchase this one actually. Then I have a shower cream, a shower gel. This is the Palmolive Exotic Watermelon, and this is just decent. The smell is not that watermelony, it's just very weak in my opinion, so this is not my favorite. I just purchased this one because I wanted some shower gels, and when I was at a store, the Dove ones that I really love were so expensive. It was so shocking. I was like, why is this $10? It was very strange. And after like 2 weeks the price went down, so I don't know what happened. The inflation is crazy, but anyway, I bought this one at that time, and it is okay, but I still prefer the Dove ones. Then I have a powder. I did finish the Huda powder, and I am very happy I did repurchase it. It's lovely. It is my favorite powder. This is the Sugar Cookies, the shade. I always say the name of the shade. It is the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and this retails for $46. I know that in the States this is like 38 or something, so a big difference, but it is what it is. I love that powder, so I do have another one. Then I have in here the Rephr cream. This is the light hydration one, and I love this cream. It is very lightweight, feels nice on the skin. I really appreciate it, and I love this thing that you can just roll and push your product down. Sadly, the only thing that I hate about this packaging, it is that the cap is just too small, so you can't put this one on a flat surface. It will just drop, and that was so annoying. I do have a basket with all my skincare products, and when I put this one on there, it was always falling, and everything was falling. It is the smallest and the stupidest thing, but it was very annoying. And I know for a fact that I paid $13 for this, so I put in here $13. And right now I think Rephr has a 40% sale. So if you want something, I really like Rephr. I'm not gonna buy something right now because I don't want any brushes or something. But this is a lovely cream. I really like it. I do recommend it. But for $13, it is not worth $26. That is just too much for hydration cream, but this one is very lovely, and for $13 it is worth every penny. Then I finished the Cerave Hydrating cleanser. I do really like this one. The bottle is just huge. I bought a smaller version just because I prefer my products to be fresher if possible, because I'm not using this every day, and I want to repurchase it more often rather than having a bigger bottle and the product going bad. So this is lovely. I really like it. Right now when I'm going to work, I don't apply anything on the eyes, and I don't have mascara to remove, so this is really nice for those days with a no makeup, and I really like it. It is hydrating and it is cleansing, but it's very gentle, so I do really enjoy it. Next I have a gloss. This is the Elf Plumping Gloss. This is a really nice gloss, and if you want something plumping but not painful, just something very light and comfortable but still a bit plumping, I do recommend this one. This is the pink Cosmo shade, and this is a repurchase. I bought another shade before, Champagne, I think it was the shade. Both very beautiful shades, and I really like this gloss, and it is pretty affordable as well. Next, I finished the Living Proof Dry Volume and Texture Spray. I really love this one. This is probably my second small bottle, and right now I have a full size. It is lovely, and like the name is saying, it adds volume and texture to your spray. I am having this one in my hair, and as you can see, I have very fine and straight hair, and with this one it adds just a bit of volume, and I could just do stuff like this and add a bit of volume and body to my hair, so I really appreciate that product. Next I have the Tutti Frutti Sugar Body Scrub in here. This is the blackberry and raspberry flavor one. I am not eating this, but you got the point. This is lovely. It is my favorite scent, and I just have a bunch of backups of this one. It is my favorite. I did mention it a bunch of times. Next I have the Cerave Hydrating Cream, the one in the tub. This took a long time to finish, but I really like it, and I did repurchase the one in the squeezy tube. I think that one is my favorite. I like the packaging, I like the texture of the cream. They are decently similar. I think this one is just a bit more hydrating, but that one is just a nice packaging, a nice formula, and I really like that one. So I decided to repurchase that one. Then I finished the Inkey List Retinol Serum. This was a repurchase as well, and right now I did buy the 1% retinol serum from the Inkey List, and I am very curious about that one. That one is just a bit stronger. This, I think it's 0.5%, if I can remember correctly. This retails for $12, so for retinol that is a pretty good price, and this is a good formula. I really like it. The only thing that I don't love is the smell. I don't remember this smelling that nasty the first time that I purchased it, but it smells like expired eggs or something, and not very pleasant, but you get used to the scent at some point. But yes, I really like this formula. I am curious if the other one will irritate my skin or if I will see improvements or something. I'm gonna use that one probably like 2-3 days a week, maybe 3 days, because I was using this one daily, but I want to be gentle with my skin. This is lovely, I really like it, and I do recommend it. Then I have the Cupio Soak Off Remover wraps. This is pretty affordable, I do really like them. Those are the wraps that you use for your semi-permanent nail polish. And right now I have an appointment to do the nails for somebody else to do my nails, because I want to do gel again, because I don't know, summer is coming and I just would like to have my nails done for a whole month and don't care about them, and I'm gonna do that next. Then I have a deodorant. This is my favorite one, the Dove Invisible Dry. I really like it and I do recommend it. I talked about it a bunch of times. Sorry for the noise, this bag is pretty loud. Then I have the Dove body wash, the shower gel. This is one of my favorites. It is the Nourishing Silk. This one smells like clean stuff, like clean clothing or something like that. I really like it. It feels really nice on the skin, and I did repurchase like 3 or 4 Dove shower gels. They are just my favorites. Then I have my favorite sponge. This is the Mop sponge. I really like it. It is pretty affordable and very, very nice quality. Then I have the ordinary niacinamide, and I always have this one in my empties as well. Sometimes in my empties you can see my favorites, because I think I repurchased this one like 6 times or something like that. I have one open right now. I have one backup because I always used it. My skin loves niacinamide, so in the morning that is my first step. I just really like it. What else do we have here? I have the salicylic acid from Revox. This is lovely. I really like it. It is again from the drugstore, and it is a good salicylic acid. Right now I am using the one from Selfless by Hyram. That will not be in Sephora anymore, which is a bit sad, but it is so liquidy. It is annoying because it is in a squeeze bottle, and I always squeeze too much because it's just very, very liquidy. I don't really like that, because the Paula's Choice 2% salicylic acid thingy, that one is in a bottle that you just pour in your hand, so at least you know that you are pouring something liquidy. With the other one you just squeeze way too much. It's pretty annoying. But after I'm done with the Selfless one, I'm gonna use the Paula's Choice 2% because I have a big bottle, and I think right now my skin doesn't need that much exfoliation, and I'm gonna use that one maybe every other week or something like that, and that will be very nice because that one is a pretty strong exfoliant. Next I have a sunscreen in here. This is my favorite one, is the Cerave SPF 50+ Sun Secure, the blur one. I just love it. It looks really nice on the skin. All my foundations look nice on top of it, and I just really like it. And again, it is pretty affordable. I have one right now that is open. I am almost done with that one as well, and I have a backup or 2 even, because I really really like it, and I am glad that I am finishing it up, because that means that I am applying a lot of SPF, and that is amazing. Then I have more dry shampoo. I have two of these, and this is the Batiste Tropical Exotic Coconut, and I have a mini as well. I am buying this one a bunch because this is perfect for traveling, so I'm gonna repurchase this for sure when I'm traveling next. And the full big bottle, this is actually one of my favorites. I do like the overnight thingy from Batiste as well a bit more, because it is just a bit stronger, but I prefer the scent of this one, so those two are my favorites. And then I have a note in here that I finished the Rephr brush soap as well. That is $10 on the Concept store, so that is with a bit of a discount. I bought it for $10, and of course I don't have the packaging, so this is the reason I put the note in here. It's just okay. I don't like it. I'm not gonna repurchase it. It is pretty expensive, and I just prefer my Protex bar soap. That is just working for me, so I don't need something more expensive just to clean my brushes. I usually just put some soap and leave them just to soak just a bit, not a lot of time, because I don't want to ruin them. And then I am using the bar soap and cleaning them pretty well, and I don't have any problems with that method. Lastly, we have two candles, my two last candles from Bath & Body Works. I'm gonna take a break because it is getting warm outside and I don't want candles in the summer. It's not my thing. And I have these two. They retail for $46 for two candles here in Romania. The first one is the cinnamon spiced vanilla, and I actually repurchased this one. I meant this is a repurchase. It's so lovely. Let me smell it again. It smells so nice and I really like it. This is one of my favorites for sure. I have some notes in here. Fresh grounded cinnamon, sugar crystals. Oh my god, that sounds so yummy. Tahitian vanilla bean. And that is all. This is lovely. I do really recommend it, even though they are pretty expensive. They are good quality candles. And then I have the iced coconut milk, and this was lovely as well. I don't have notes for this one, but this was very, very nice as well. I think this, if you want something in the summer, this one was so nice. It smells like a beach vacation. And by the way, I am going on a beach vacation this year. I am so excited. I'm going to Greece, and this smells like coconut sunscreen on your body, something like that, but in a very, very good way, and like an ice cream just beside it. I don't know how to explain it, but it's lovely. So if you want something in the summer, this is very nice. But like I said, I don't enjoy candles in the summer. It's just too warm. So this was everything. I talked pretty fast. Usually I am very slow with my empties, and I had a bunch of products in here. I know that I didn't mention the price for absolutely everything, but it will be listed down below. The total amount for this time is $302. That is so much money. It's insane, but I am happy again that I am finishing these products. I am paying a lot for them, but as well I am using them up, so that is not going to waste, which is amazing, and I'm very, very happy. And yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.